Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode we're talking about how you can make money by creating Facebook pages for businesses. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money by creating Facebook pages for businesses. Now this can be a business that only has a website, or it can be a brick and mortar business that actually has a physical location in your local area, in your state, or even internationally. And essentially, what you're doing is you're offering this service to businesses to create a Facebook page for them. You can go even to the extent of not only creating a Facebook business page, but if they want any community groups or anything like that, you can also create them for that business and increase their viewability, searchability, and potential reach to their customers. Now, if you're somebody that uses Facebook, you know it only takes a matter of a couple minutes to hurry up and throw together a business page. The longest part of creating those business pages is creating the profile picture and the banner in the background. Entering the business information is fairly simple. Entering the business name, website, link, physical location if they have one, phone number, email address, all that good stuff. That only takes a couple minutes, literally. The longest part being the images that you're going to use on that profile. And you potentially could charge a small fee, $25, $50, or even upwards of $100, depending on what all you're going to do for that business. And you could submit it to Facebook pages for business. And then you could, in turn, give them control after that point. You could even go further in the aspect of if the company does not have somebody knowledgeable in those platforms already, like Facebook, you could even offer an additional service of managing their social media for them. In which case, not only would you create the business page for them, but they could then get in contact with you and go, hey, we need to do a promotional post on our page for a holiday event or a holiday sale or whatever it may be. And then you could be the one that gets the images from them, the information that they need to share, and do their posting for them. And then you could also be able to get more information from them about what they want to have done throughout a longer period of time, and then schedule those posts out as well. So you could potentially not have just the one service of building the page for them, but you could also offer a service to manage that page for them and have a reoccurring income from that one business. And then depending on how interested you are, you could take on multiple businesses and do the same thing and offer those same services. And if you can get multiple businesses to allow you to manage it for them, you have multiple streams of income from those businesses that are going to be recurring to continue managing their pages for them. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you have any questions or comments, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. If you want more information, head on over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog. And who knows, maybe your questions will be a future video here on the channel. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.